Alrighty, let's get started. So we'll do our normal housekeeping work. And let's move in here to our file system and we'll copy this directory, O7 Beanscopes, and we'll paste it and we'll give it a new name. And the new name we'll give it is O8 Bean Lifecycle Methods. Now let's go ahead and open this project in IntelliJ. And one thing I like to do here is just some cleanup work. I'd like to change the code to inject only one coach and to use singleton scope. Just want to kind of keep it simple, give me some good baseline code to work with. I'll move into the demo controller, expand my window here for a second, and I'll remove one of the coaches here. So I'll remove this another coach field. And then I'll also move down here and remove the qualifier for the another coach. And fix the curly brace here. Remove this line with the assignment. And so this is kind of what my constructor should look like for the demo controller. And then this get mapping for check, we'll go ahead and delete this section of code also. All right, so this is basically what our application should look like, or our code should look like at this point. And then I'd also like to go over and make the change here to Cricut Coach. And so I want to remove the prototype scope. So I'll just delete this scope annotation here. Alrighty, so this looks pretty good. And now we can kind of get down to business here. So step one of defining the methods for init and destroy, and then adding the annotations here for post construct and pre-destroy. I'll just write some quick comments here to myself just to kind of keep myself on track. Okay, this is our basic game plan here, defining our init method and also defining our destroy method. So I'll start here with the init method, and I'll make use of the annotation post construct. I give a method here, do my startup stuff. Again, you can use any method name here that you want. And then I'll just do a little print line statement here just to let them know that, hey, we're in do startup stuff for a given class. Alrighty, this looks pretty good for our post construct. So this is our init method. Let's kind of copy paste this and let's do a similar thing here for pre-destroy. So I'll just paste it. I'll update the annotation, pre-destroy. And then I'll just move down here and just give it a new method name, do my cleanup stuff. Just update our print line accordingly. And that's the coding there for our destroy method. It looks good. I like it. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Let's just run our application. Our app is up and running. And one thing to notice here, we see the code or the execution of our init method here. So in do my startup stuff for Cricut Coach. So notice the previous line, we're in the constructor for Cricut Coach. And then we have our custom init method that runs as a post construct. So this is great. I like it. Now, if I stop the application, then we should execute our pre-destroy method. So we did a stop, scroll down a bit, and then we'll see that this print line here, in do my cleanup stuff. So this code is actually executing as desired. So this is great. I like it. Good job.